In this video I will show you step by step how you can add auto captions to your videos inside CapCut. So first of all, let's head over to our CapCut app. And then once we do this, you want to import and add the video that you want to add auto captions to. So as you can see right here, I've got my video, and what we want to do now is go down to where it says text on the bottom bar there. That will then bring this up right here, and then you want to select the option for auto captions. Once we do this, as you'll notice, there is an option for generate from, so this will be selected automatically to video, but if you've got a separate video or audio track, what you can do is select the one that you want. Now, once we've selected the right audio track or video that we want to generate auto captions from, you then below have templates. So what you can do is you can go through these and you can select any of the free ones, or you can also select any of the pro ones if you have the pro version of CapCut. So from here, as you can see, the popular one that we like is this one right here. So once you have selected this, you will then have a couple more pro settings on the below this. And then once you do that, what you can do is simply go down to the bottom and click on generate. So click on generate. As you can see, it will then start generating auto captions. It will take a couple of minutes depending on how long your video is. And then once you are finished, as you'll notice, if you now play forward, it will then go ahead and put in these auto captions that will be displayed on screen. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.